Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn open to work settings for targeting recruiters. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn profile in your preferred web browser. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, scroll down until you find the Open to section, which indicates your job seeking preferences. Click on the pencil icon next to Open to Work. In the pop-up window, you'll see your current settings for job preferences. To restore or modify your settings, review the options available. Make sure the toggle for Open to Work is enabled, indicating that you are open to new opportunities. Select the types of job roles you are interested in by clicking on the relevant boxes. You can also specify your preferred job locations by typing them in the designated field. Adjust your job search settings according to your availability, such as full-time, part-time, or next, choose who can see that you're open to work. If you want maximum visibility, select all LinkedIn members. If you prefer a more discreet option, choose recruiters only. Once you've made your changes, review your profile to ensure everything appears as intended. You can also check your profile's visibility settings, which can affect how recruiters find you. Consider updating your LinkedIn headline and summary to align with your job-seeking status. After making all necessary adjustments, browse your profile as a visitor to see how it appears to others. Your settings are now restored and optimized for attracting recruiters. Regularly monitor this section to ensure your preferences are up to date. Engaging with relevant content and connections can further bolster your visibility to recruiters. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.